Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about what does new login location detected mean on Discord. So when you get that right here, so when you try to get this notification right here, as you can see right here, that says new login location detected, please check your email. So this basically means that you have been detected in a new IP address, which means it's a new location, or you have connected to another Wi-Fi connection with your Discord. And it locates it right here. If your two-factor authentication is on, this will say it, because it's really strict when it comes to login. So just check your email if it's right there. If it's not right there, just try to check your spam. If it's not in spam, you'll just have to wait for it right there if it's there. So once you have done that, you check it on there, you just have to reset your password here in Discord, then it's already okay. Then there you go. You'll be on your way in your Discord, then you'll have to use it smoothly and freely. So that just means you have connected to a new actual Wi-Fi, or a new IP address has been detected, so that it's just really strict when it comes to Discord. So there you go guys. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.